How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fix the error where Windows applications are not opening on Windows 11. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So this problem actually stems from a couple of external factors, such as firewall settings or network settings or simply a bad install. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys a couple of things that you guys can try to actually fix the error where your app is not launching. So with all that said, let's begin. So the first thing that I'm going to recommend is to do a simple uninstall and reinstall, or simply put, just do a quick reinstall of the application. Now, this may seem counterintuitive and pretty obvious, but you guys would be surprised by how well this actually works. Because there are times when you try to install an application and it just goes through a bad install, or it misses a file, or some segments of the file were corrupted, so they would have to reinstall it again. So by doing a quick reinstall, you're effectively fixing the problem. Now, that's method one. Now, if that doesn't work, I recommend that you guys try running it as admin, as some applications would not run because they're being blocked by a security measure set by your computer. So something like firewall settings or antivirus settings, something like that. But by running it as admin, you basically bypass all of these and get to use the application like normal. So that's another thing that you guys can try. And the last method that I'm going to recommend is running these command lines right here. And to do so, let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to quickly bring up command prompt here. And to do so, simply type cmd on your PC, or you can do this, Windows key plus R, and then type cmd. Now, once you guys have this window open, or basically command prompt, you want to type in this line first. So what this will do is it'll do a quick scan of your computer system to scan it for any broken sectors or corrupted Windows files. And what it'll do is it'll actually fix them and hopefully effectively help you launch the applications that you're trying to run. So the first one is sfc/scan now. This one works, but I'm not going to do that because it takes quite a while. Now, if that doesn't work, you guys can try this. These command lines here are actually disk checks. So this actually scans your hard drives for the health as well as some bad sectors, and will try to fix it. And in doing so, it actually may help you launch the application. So yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.